Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing people's liked videos on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the account that you would like to see the liked videos on. Now at the top of the account here, tap on the heart button. This will bring you to the person's liked videos. If you tap on the heart and it has a crossed out eye like this one, then that means that the person has made their liked videos private. In this case, you are not able to see their liked videos. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.